Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Sige break, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening fellows, mayong gabi Pilipinas. It is the 5th day of January 2021 and it's a Tuesday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission. The DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. I am working with the ISO FT2980 with a power output of 80 watts, hook up to Comet GP-1 Omni antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero beat your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Any relay, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1PRS, standing by. Any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening. Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening. Okay, nothing heard. Since this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Please be advised that by joining this net call, you declare under any circumstances that you are using your registered NTC-issued call sign as prescribed by law. However, those who do not have yet the registered NTC call sign, we welcome and encourage you to acquire the same in order to enjoy the full privilege of using the amateur radio frequencies as specified in the license. For more information and details regarding amateur radio licensing, you may visit website of Philippine Amateur Radio Association at www.para.org.ph. 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1PRS, standing by. Any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs, please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening.
Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA, or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. DX1PRS will be listening.
X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS. Will be listening.
1 Mike. EU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
8 for H1 Delta Bravo Sierra.
Portal 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Check.
Okay, standby ang distant station. Copy yung station DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Please stand by. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
Mike Alpha Romeo.
Mike Alpha Romeo, please stand by.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta, please stand by. Any more?
4G1 Bravo Kilo Alpha.
Is that for Golf 1 Bravo Kilo Alpha?
QSL Quito 4 Golf 1 Bravo Kilo Alpha. Calling in from the group Icon SPR. Supporting your unit on Mabuhay 73.
Okay, sige, Tito Paul dyan, acknowledge na kita. For Golf 1 Bravo Kilo Alpha, Tito Paul dyan, thank you for supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Kilo Alpha is now loud and clear. Okay, any more stations? Okay, before I call the other stations, let me first acknowledge the following stations who checked in earlier by group chat for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, for Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, for Golf 1 Delta Queen Juliet, W6 Echo Uniform Golf Stroke 1, for India 1 Bravo India, and the station of Hotel 1 Bravo Juliet Romeo Tito Betong of the X1 CWU. Those stations are now logged and clear. Okay, next station, calling the station of DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Tito Boy, magandang gabi. Alina sa ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalalam, buwabati po ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo lahat. No other traffic, QRU, QRX, QRL. Salamat po.
73 manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Tito Boy, maraming salamat sa tiklis-tiklis na pagbate. At naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po.
For Golf 1, November Tango for the net.
For Hotel 1 Bravo Solo Eco. Okay, copy the three stations for Golf 1 November Tango DU1 Kilo India Yankee, and for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Please stand by. Okay, next station for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra from the group Tito Fred. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, good boy, and Happy New Year. And supporting PRS and joining the evening net from the group, my handle is Fred, transmitting from Marabang, Muntinlupa, no traffic 73, El Mabuhay, and Happy New Year to everybody, over.
73, keep safe, and Happy New Year. Then, Tito Fred, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform from the group and one of the net control stations. Good evening, Tito Nelson. Welcome to our group net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rotboy, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, for the X1 PRS, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, supporting Reminet. Remind po, naka-live uli po tayo sa FB Live sa aking account, Nelson Celosa Paralayas. Salamat, and 73.
Thank you for that reminder, Tito Nelson, that we are on live on air as of now. And thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Lima. Charlie uniform is now logged and clear. Next station, Mike Alpha Romeo. Tito Mar, good evening. Welcome to DX1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. Mike Alfa Romeo, supporting the net of the X1 PRS. Transmitting from Binyan, Laguna. No more traffic. 73 and mabuhay. God bless.
Likewise, God bless. 73 and mabuhay. Tito Mar, thank you for all supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now logged and clear. Next station, Delta Zulu 1. Delta, Tito Don, good evening. Welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Gandang gabi, Root Boy. Checking in, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Don. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Zulu 1. Delta is now logged and clear. Tito Don, yung first name mo, Don lang talaga or may yung full name mo? Mayroon ka full name?
DON lang talaga, Don.
Copy that, Tito Don. Kasi piniprepare namin yung mga certificates eh. Seb. Thank you.
Roger.
Next station, 4 Golf 1, November, Tango, Tito Nick, one of the NCS and board member of the X1 Alpha, Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Likewise, good evening to Turut Boy at magandang gabi po sa mga kantabay. Please log my station for Golf 1, November Tango, Nick Nantay Rizal. At sa grupo po ng DX1 ART, just supporting the DX1 Parents Net Call. 72 maboy po, ingat-ingat.
73, keep safe, and mabay, Tito Nick, thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, November Tango is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1, Kilo, India, Yankee, Kaed, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Tito Ed, Kaed, yung, pwede pag-ibigay yung full name for the certificate? USL. Edgardo M. Okay, copy that. Edgardo M. Fernando. Thank you, Tito Ed, for supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, is now logged and clear. Okay, copy Fortel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Indulgence sa Kamiloy, pulutin ko muna, medyo malabo sa akin si Tito Dindo. Fortel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Tito Dindo, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Likewise, God bless 73 and mabuhay, Tito Dindo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Bravo Delta Golf, is now logged and clear. Next station, Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo Cameloy. Good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Likewise, Tito Root Boy, magandang gabi. Magandang rin sa lahat ng monitor. Portal 1, Bravo Solution. Sige niyo sa Portal 1 Solution traffic. 73, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Cameloy. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo is now logged and clear. For H1 Papa Victor, pakibalik po yung suffix, Papa Victor for Hotel 1, Papa Victor, question mark.
For I1 PUV daw, Tito Root Boy.
Sige, copy, Tito Robert, please stand by. Okay, calling the station of for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire ng Cuenca, Batangas. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Voltaire. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Papa Uniform Victor is now loud and clear. Umihina ka lang sa akin dito, Tito Voltaire. Dati malakas ka. Siguro kailangan ng pihit ulit sa dati. Okay, any more station would like to join Dex 1 Persnet, 4G1 PUR, standing by. Is that DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey?
Yes, sir. Dito Red Boy. Magandang gabi po.
O anong nangyari dito dyan? Ba't humina ka? DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey from UP Los Baños. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 Persnet.
Nakamit power po. How copy now, Dito Red Boy?
You're coming in 3 by 3.
Okay, sir. Maybe one of these days ko mag-check ako na aking system. Okay na po ba?
Orgo 1, Tango Kilo Golf. Sige, dito dyan, go ahead. DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, go ahead.
Again, good evening, Control. Good evening, James Monbian and all monitoring stations. Just give me everyone 73 and no further traffic.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito John, paki-advise yung ano mo, yung full name, para mailagay sa certificate.
That's Francisco Lopez Jr.
Lopez Jr. Lopez ang family name, yung first name.
Yun na lang po. Juliet Uniform November, Lima Oscar Papa Echo Zulu, Juliet Uniform. UTH, UP Los Baños.
At Tito John, one more time, lagyan mo lang gap, medyo in-and-out siya. Yung, ulit yung first name.
Okay po, full name, Foxtrot, Alpha, Romeo, India, November, Charlie, India, Sierra, Charlie, Oscar. Lima, Oscar, Papa, Echo, Zulu. Juliet Uniform.
Bali, Francisco, QSL.
QSL, Tito Red Boy.
Okay, copy that, Tito John, 73, and thank you for always supporting Dex 1 Persnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, is now loud and clear. Any more station?
Pa-relay, Tito.
Ray Romeo, for the net.
Dito na sir, may nakasabay ka pa, standby, pulutin ko muna saglit lang ha. Yung nakasabay po, pakibalik.
Hotel 1, Echo, Zulu, Foxtrot. DW1, Victor X-Ray Romeo.
Golf 1, Tango, Kilo Golf. Okay, I copy for Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Yung may Charlie something Victor Romeo, is that QSL? O pakibalik po yung may Charlie.
Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo.
Okay, DW1 Victor X3 Romeo, Tito Ray, please stand by. Copy na yung 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, Tito John, please stand by. Okay, copy D1 Victor Lima Zulu. Yung isa po, yung DB3. Okay, copy Tito Roland, please standby DB3 RW. Yung nakasabay, one more time.
DW1 Zulu Papa Lima.
Copy DW1 Zulu Papa Lima, please stand by. Okay, indulgence, gentlemen, ladies first, calling the station of DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, Pangalusbi, maayong gabi, welcome to Dex 1 Testnet. Halong-halong and mabuhay Pangalusbi, one of the net control stations of DX1 EVM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Testnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, is now loud and clear. Okay, going back to the list, calling the station of Portal 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot Kareji. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Testnet. Kareji, Okay. Good. Welcome to go ahead.
Likewise po, Tito. Ayan. Portal 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Tito Reggie po ng Las Piñas, joining and supporting 73. Ingat-ingat po.
73, keep safe and mabuhay ka. Reggie, thank you for always supporting Dex1 Testnet, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot is now logged and clear.
4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima.
Copy 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima. Okay, indulgence, gentlemen, pulutin ko muna, medyo mahina siya sa akin. Calling the station 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima. Tito Nato, go ahead. Welcome to Dex1 Testnet.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Net Control. Good evening, fellow hams. 4 Golf 1, Bravo Lima Lima. With the handle of NATO. Transmitting from General Trias, Cavite. No traffic, just supporting the evening net. 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Nato. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Bravo Lima Lima is now logged and clear. Okay, going back to the list, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Tito Ray, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 Testnet.
Likewise, good evening and good evening to all the stations on monitor. Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, join the net for TS1 PRS. 73 and God bless. Salamat. Good evening. Roland, good evening. Willie, good evening.
Good evening, Ray.
Okay, thank you, Tito Ray, for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. God bless. 73. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, is now logged and clear. Next station, for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, Tito John, and perhaps together with 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf and Tango Kilo Juliet and 4H1 X-Ray Charlie Mike. Go ahead, Tito John.
Ayan, nabanggit niya lahat. Maraming salamat po. Station of 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf. Together with the 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Foxtrot and 4 Hotel 1 X-Ray Charlie Mike. From the group X1 Mike Charlie Golf from Gentry Cavite. Yes, always supporting Lightning Net with no traffic. 73 and God bless, mabuhay.
DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra. Copy, Tito John, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, please stand by. Acknowledge the stations, the 3 stations of Tito John, Tita Sherilyn, and Ate Sarah. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. So we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your 3 stations, 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Foxtrot, and 4 Hotel 1 X-Ray Charlie Mike are now logged and clear. Next station, DB3, Romeo Whiskey, Tito Rowlin. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 Testnet. keep safe, and bye-bye, Tito Roland. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB3 Radio Whiskey, is now loud and clear.
Delta Uniform 1, Sierra Hotel.
Copy, Delta Uniform 1, Sierra Hotel. Please stand by. Pakibalik po yung nag-transmit. DW1 Victor Whiskey, question mark. One more time, ang dulo na lang. DW1 Victor Whiskey. Okay, copy. DW1 Victor Whiskey 5. Ito MG. Okay, gentlemen, indulgence at pupulutin ko man at medyo mahina sa akin. Okay, DW1 Victor Whiskey 5 at ito MJ, ang Lucina. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito MJ. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Victor Whiskey 5, is now loud and clear. Okay, let's go back to the list. Delta Whiskey 1 Zulu Papa 5, Tito Willie. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Road Boy. Jenny Davinet, 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Willie. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DW1 Zulu Papa 5, is now loud and clear. Next station, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra from the group, Tito Jun, as the head of Technical Affairs Committee. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Road Boy. Likewise, to all station monitor, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra supporting the net of the X1 PRS. No more traffic, 73s, and mabuhay.
Thank you, Tito Jun, for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, is now loud and clear. Next station, DU1 Sierra Hotel Cavens. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Yeah, good evening everyone. The U1 Sierra Hotel checking in for the X1 PRSnet. 73, negative traffic, 5960 Quezon City.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Cavens. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Sierra Hotel, is now logged and clear. Likewise, 59 Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, coordinate.
Copy, Hotel 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta. Anymore?
4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango.
Copy, 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango. Tito Chuck, please stand by. Anymore? Yung mobile, pakibalik po. One more time, in and out ka, pakibalik po, yung mobile.
Si ARD yan.
Medyo, bigyan mo ng gap, nag-on, in and out. Okay, any relay, mukhang, sige, Tito, one more time. Tingnan ko kung makuha natin. One more time, please, transmit.
Boy, Red Apple daw. Ayun pong Red Apple Mobile, Greg, meron po bang registered call sign ba, Greg po? Okay, sir. Sige, kay Red, go ahead. QSL location decide Calamba City. Yung isa dito sa may Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hitting me 3x3. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay, Red. At maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa Netcall. Okay, Root Boy. Red, wala pang registered call sign at RAD ang ginagamit. Go ahead at check my station, 73.
Okay, copy that, and thank you, Tito Red, for dropping by 73. And ingat-ingat sa pagmumobile. Okay, next station, Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta. Ka-Jason, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Po, Tito Rotboy, magandang gabi po. Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, joining the evening net call ng DX1 PRS. Mabuhay po, 73, gandang gabi po.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Ka-Jason. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta, is now logged and clear. Next station, 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango. Tito Chuck, one of the net control stations of DX1CW. Good evening, Tito Chuck. Welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Good evening, Root Boy. This is 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango, along with 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo. We're just checking in with your net, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Chuck, together with Tito Chris. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations, 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango and 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo are now logged and clear. Copy, Delta Victor 1, Delta Lima X-Ray, Doc Nilo, please stand by. Any more stations?
4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo Zulu.
Okay, calling the station of DB1, Delta Lima X-Ray, Doc Nilo, one of the net control stations of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PearsNet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay. Likewise, Happy New Year, Doc Nelo, on behalf of Dix1 Perez. And thank you for always supporting Dix1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Delta Lima X-Ray, is now logged and clear.
4 Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, for the net.
Copy, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, Tito Elmer, the treasurer of Dex1 Alpha Romeo Tango. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PearsNet.
And likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening po sa lahat. 4 Golf 1, Alpha Yankee Papa, Elmer ng Marikina. Supporting the evening net, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmer. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, is now logged and clear.
Root Boy, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Si, nauna kay Alpha Yankee Papa.
Copy, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform, Foxtrot, Tita Moore, please stand by. Yung comment, pakibalik pa.
Root Boy, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Nag-shout kanina.
Anong prefix niya ba?
4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Yun ang lumabas dito. Go ahead. Aldwin yata.
Sige, Tita Mar, please stand by. Pulutin muna natin. Tingnan ko kung makukuha natin. 4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Is that you, Tito Aldwin?
Tito, na-change location ako. Wala ako sa compute ko. Nandito ako sa Pasay.
4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Tito Aldwin, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PearsNet.
Tapos na yata.
Okay, acknowledge the station of 4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo Zulu. Your station is now logged and clear. 73. Okay, let's call on the station of 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot from the group, our corporate secretary. Good evening, Tita Moore. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Tita Amor.
Oh, good evening to all. Good evening, good boy. Thanks for the list. For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. Number traffic, mabuhay, 73.
Magandang gabi, incoming NCS.
Oh, okay ah.
Okay, 73 keep safe and mabuhay Tita Moore, the incoming NCS. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Parang narinig ko si head. Is that your 4-1 Tango Lima Oscar? Vincent, the head of net control stations. Good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Yeah, likewise, good evening Tito Root Boy, and good evening kay Tita Amor, the incoming net control station. Same thing, our corporate club secretary. And good evening din kay Tito Cesar na nandyan. And to all station and monitor, joining our net with number traffic, God bless, and 73, mabuhay. Carol Dillon's meeting, GMA Cavite on mobile.
73 keep safe and mabuhay Vincent at ingat-ingat sa pagmumubal dyan sa Cavite. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Tango Lima Oscar is now loud and clear.
Tito Root Boy, palag to.
You Alpha.
For Echo 1 Romeo Alpha. Tito, is that RA? Tito, pakibalik na lang ng yung name, location, and the club. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 Pressnet.
QCell, this is for Echo 1 Radio Alpha. The name is RA from Makati, from the group DX1 Alpha Romeo Charlie. Negative traffic this evening, just checking in and supporting your net. 73.
73, keep safe, and mabuhay Tito RA. Thank you for always supporting Dix1 Pressnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Echo 1 Radio Alpha is now loud and clear.
Tito Root Boy, palag.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Palista na lang nito. Delta Uniform 9, Mike Echo Romeo. Delta Yankee 1, ARD. Delta Yankee 9, Juliet Delta Charlie. Delta Whiskey 4, Bravo Tango Lima. Tsaka si Tito Joy, for Golf 1, Queen Alpha Zulu. Pa-acknowledge na lang Tito lahat.
Tito Nelson, yung isa yung, ano yan,
ARD.
ARD. Anong, parang wala pa siya sa akin Ano ba yan? Anong prefix niya?
Delta Yankee 1, Alpha Romeo Delta.
Yung name niya?
Benison.
Teka muna. Kasi yung mayroon alam ko, mayroon yung parang JDC ata, last time.
Ay hindi, yan ang nakalista sa akin, CC.
Anyway, sige. Nasa FB Live yan.
Roger.
Okay, sige. I-update ko na lang yun. Acknowledge the following stations for DU9. Mike Echo Romeo, si Kamike ng Trento Agusan del Sur. Delta Yankee 1 Alpha Romeo Delta, si Tito Benison. DW4 Bravo Tango Lima, si Tito Ino. And for Golf 1 Queen Alpha Zulu from the group Tito Joy. Those stations are now locked and clear. 73. Thank you, Tito Nelson, for the play.
May nalampasan, Delta Yankee 9, Juliet Delta Charlie.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa.
Kyrol, please stand by for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray, Papa. Okay, ayaw ka. Medyo nag-skip ang aking daga. Okay, and also Delta Yankee 1 Juliet Delta Charlie at Tito Juni ng Davao del Norte. Your station is also loud and clear.
DD1 Oscar Mike Victor.
4 Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima.
Copy 4 Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima. Bago niyan, yung isa po, yung Mike Victor, pakibalik po.
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Okay, Tito Rolly, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor, please stand by.
4 Golf 1, Charlie November Delta.
Copy 4 Golf 1, Charlie November Delta, Joan, please stand by anymore.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano, please stand by anymore. For Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, copy Kajar, please stand by anymore. Okay, nothing heard. Calling the station of Hotel 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa, Errol, good evening, welcome to Dixman Persnet.
Likewise po, Tito Rutboy, gandang gabi ulit station for Hotel 1 Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa. Just supporting your evening at 73 and God bless.
Likewise, God bless 73 and mabuhay, Errol. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa is now logged and clear. Next station, DB1, Oscar, Mike, Victor, Tito Rolly, good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Hi, good evening, Root Boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Just logged in for the evening net. Net traffic, 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Rolly. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station DB1, Oscar Mike Victor is now logged and clear. Copy DU1, Whiskey India, Echo, please stand by. Okay, next station, 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima, Tito Elmore, good evening, welcome to Dex1 Persnet.
Magandang gabi rin, Tito Rootboy, 4 Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS. Nagpapatala lang po, 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima, si Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Wala pa ibang mensahe, 73, stay safe.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmore. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta, one of the net control stations of DX1 EVM. Kajuan, good evening, welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Good evening po, Tito Rootboy and all stations. 4 Golf 1, Charlie November Delta, John from Dasmariñas, Cavite. From the group DX1 EVM. No traffic, just supporting the net, 73. You're coming here 5 by 9.
Kajuan, yung first name mo, isa lang, Joan lang?
SL, Juliet, Oscar, Alpha, November.
Okay, copy that. 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, Joan. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta is now logged and clear. Please stand by.
4 Golf 1, Alpha November, India.
Copy 4 India 1, Mike Victor India, and 4 Golf 1, Alpha November India. Please stand by. Pakibalik po yung 4 Golf 1 Tango. 4 Hotel 1 Tango, Uniform Alpha. Is that 4 Hotel 1 Tango, Uniform Alpha? Tito Raniel is QSL, 4 Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha.
At Tito QSL yan, siya amin.
QSL. Ano yan, Tito Nelson, pakibalik.
Tama yung binanggit mo, acknowledge mo lang, nagpuputol-putol.
Okay, for Del 1 Tango Uniform Alpha, Tito Reniel, subukan natin baka ng Oriental Mindoro, I mean. Good evening, welcome to this one, President. Ayun, lumakas ka bigla, Tito Raniel, nag 3x4 ka sa akin, at readable ang audio. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Raniel. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Tango Uniform Alpha is now logged and clear. Okay, back to the list. Next station, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PSNet.
Yung magandang gabi, Tito Rotboy, magandang gabi sa lahat na nakantabay. Nagpapataya lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan, wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatil sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Romano. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong impilan, Romeo Oscar Mike, ay nakatala na po at libre na. Next station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu. Kajia, good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSNet. Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay ka, JR. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, is now logged and clear. Likewise, 5x3, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Next station, DU1, Whiskey, India, Echo. Tito Ed, good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSNet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Ed. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, D1 Whiskey India Echo, is now logged and clear. Likewise, 5-9 here in Santa Rosa, Laguna.
For Golf 1, Tango, Kilo for the net.
Yung Tango, pakibalik po.
For G1, Tango, Kilo for the net.
Copy, for Golf 1, Tango, Kilo, please stand by. Next station, DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet. Tito Larry, good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSNet. Keep safe, and mabuhay, Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Yankee, November, Juliet, is now logged and clear. Next station for India 1, Mike Victor India, Juliana and Robert from the group. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSNet.
Hi, Tito Root Boy.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening to all stations. For G1 PUR for the X1 PRSNet. For I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group.
Supporting our group's net. No further traffic, 73.
For Golf 1, Echo, November, Delta.
Copy, for Golf 1 Echo, November, Delta. Please stand by, Tito Del. Acknowledge the station of the father and daughter station, Juliana and Robert, 73, keep safe, and mabuhay at laging practice. And thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now logged and clear. Next station, 4 Golf 1, Alpha, November, India. Tito Gani, good evening. Welcome to Dix 1 PearsNet.
Guys, good evening, Tito Rootboy. This is 4 Golf 1, Alpha November, India. Gani po ng GMA Cavite, supporting the evening net, no other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Tito Gani, paki-advise yung full name for the certificate.
4 Golf 1, Alpha November, India po, handled by Isagani. Roger.
Isagani, ano po yung, Tito Gani, yung family name?
Family name, Isagani Ahmad.
At, paki-phonetic po.
Alpha Kilo, Mike Alpha Delta.
Copy, Alpha Kilo, Mike Alpha Delta. Is that a QSL?
Yes, sir.
So, bali, Isagani Ahmad. Walang junior?
Negative, Tito, negative.
Okay, copy that, Tito Gani, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting X1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha November India is now loud and clear.
Shout out, Ma'am Rosalie.
Next station, for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Kilo. Tito Marbs ng Nobeleta. Good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 PearsNet.
Likewise, Control, good evening all around. This is 4G1 Tango Kilo Kilo checking in. Joining and supporting the evening net with no topic, mabuhay. 73.
For Golf 1 Lima Alpha Echo, is that the QSL? Okay, stand by for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Kilo. Please stand by. Acknowledge the station for Golf 1 Tango Kilo Kilo. Tito Marbs, 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now loud and clear. Next station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta. Tito Del, good evening. Welcome to Dex 1 PearsNet.
Tito Rootboy, magandang gabi, good evening. Supporting the X1 PRS with no further traffic. 4G1 POR, 4G1 END, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Del, thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PearsNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta is now loud and clear.
Permission to relay.
Go ahead, Tito Nelson.
Permission to relay 3 station, Tito. Banggitin ko na lang yung call sign. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor, Oscar Zulu. 4 Hotel 1, Echo, Mike, Kilo. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie, Romeo, Foxtrot. Acknowledge lang, Tito, 73.
Acknowledge the following stations who check in via Facebook Live. DW1 Victor Oscar Zulu, Jesse ng Calaca, Batangas. For Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo, Tito Edmond ng Marikina, and DW8 Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Tito Johnny ng Zamboanga. Your stations are now loud and clear. 73. Next station for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Echo. Tito, good evening. Welcome to this one PearsNet. Please advise your name, location, and the club. For Golf 1 Lima Alpha Echo, good evening. Go ahead. Calling the station for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Echo. Last call for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Echo. Okay, question mark. Any more station would like to join Dex 1 PearsNet? Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. Standing by.
Do you want?
Whiskey Mexico. Kapia DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, Vice, please stand by. Yung nakasabay po ni Vice, pakibalik.
D1 India Victor Tango.
D1 India Victor Tango, Tita Telma, please stand by. Any more? Delta Yankee 1 Tango Yankee Tango Yankee, please stand by. Any more stations?
Shout
Okay, indulgence, Vice, ladies first. D1 India Victor Tango, Tita Telma, the Para Director, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PSNet.
Ay, good evening din. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. Anyway, I'm checking in and supporting the PRS net. No traffic, 73. Ingat.
Tita Telma, si 4G1PUR, Ruth Boy, ito, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRS. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 India Victor Tango, is now logged and clear.
Magandang gabi, Tita Telma. Si Nelson to.
Good evening.
Okay, and going back to the list, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, the Vice President, Vice Alaric, good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet.
Good evening, Tito Alaric! Magandang gabi, Red Boy. Magandang gabi din si Telma. Medyo mahina siya, baka nakatalikod sa atin. At narinig ko si Nelson and Vince. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Just about the net ko, no traffic, 7:54. Good evening. Kayo.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Vice. Alaric, thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, is now logged and clear.
For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, touchdown, nagpapatala.
Copy 41 Alpha Kilo Tango. Tito Rowena, please stand by. Okay, next station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango, Yankee, Tito Arnel, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet. Tito Arnel, may update ka sa club? Okay, copy that, Tito Arnel. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSNet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee, is now logged and clear.
41 Alpha Golf Juliet.
One more time. Any relay, Tito John or Tito Nelson?
AGJ Mobile.
Si Tito Edchel.
Ayun, indulgence, Tito Rueno. Medyo, ano to. Okay, go ahead, 4G1 Alpha Golf Juliet, Edsel, from the group, Go On Mobile. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet.
Good evening, Road Boy, and good evening, Indian Person. Good evening. And supporting the network sa SDEX, something countdown. 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Edsel, thank you for always supporting Dex1 our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet is now logged and clear. Okay, for the 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, Tito Roweno, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PSNet.
Magandang gabi dito Road Boy at magandang gabi sa lahat ng station na nakamonitor for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Kana touchdown ng chicken na traffic 73, mabuhay.
Tito Roweno, bigay sa akin right now yung full name, full name and family name.
Roweno Maristela. At yun po yung akin din sa Facebook, Roweno Maristela. In Maristela.
Bali, 1L lang yan, Maristela.
Yung N, Nazareno po yung N. Kaya Roweno N. Maristela.
Okay. Thank you, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay Tito Roweno. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Fortel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, is now logged and clear. CQNet, any more stations who would like to join Dex 1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Andyan si Mike Victor Lima.
Okay, for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, anong nangyari sa signal mo? Go ahead, welcome to our group net. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay, Adrian. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima, is now logged and clear. Time check, 9. Papa Mike, any more station who would like to join Dex 1 PSNet, please call my station 4G1 PUR, standing by. Last call for any station, be portable, mobile, or base who wish to join Dex 1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Zulu Mike.
4G1.
Tito Dan, nawala ka. 4G1 5 Delta Kilo. Anyway, please stand by. Calling the station. Pakibalik po yung Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Zulu Mike. Is that a QSL?
Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie.
Okay, copy. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Victor Charlie. Please stand by. Yung one more time yung yung Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Zulu Mike.
Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Zulu Mike, QSL.
Okay, go ahead, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Zulu Mike. Please advise your name, location, and the club if any. Go ahead.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, fellow hams. No further traffic, just joining the net. My handheld is Delta Yankee, Mike Alpha November Yankee, transmitting at Malate, Manila. Over.
Is that, yung name mo ay Mike Alpha November Yankee, QSL?
Mike Alpha November Yankee, go ahead.
Okay, copy that, Tito Manny. And ang location natin, saan?
My location is Malate, Manila. Malate, Manila. Go ahead.
Okay, copy that, Tito Manny, from Malate, Manila. Saying 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and welcome to Dex 1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Zulu Mike, is now logged and clear. Next station, from the group 4G1 Lima Delta Kilo, the club auditor, Tito Dan. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Yeah, good evening, good boy. Good evening, fellow arms supporting our group's net. No traffic besides 73, and fine evening, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay Tito Dan. Thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now loud and clear. Next station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, Tito Mark. Good evening, welcome to DX1 PSNet.
Yes, good evening, Tito. Good evening sa lahat. Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, supporting evening net of DX1 PRS. And 73 and mabuhay po, ingat-ingat sa lahat.
Tito Mark, reminder lang, naibigay mo na yung ano mo, yung measurement ng t-shirt mo?
Ayun, Tito, nag-ano ko doon sa group chat. Sa ba to, sa FB Live?
Sa FB Live, doon sa DX1 PRS members and friends, hindi ka nag-check-in doon? Nag-log doon?
Tito, hindi po. Negative pa.
Oo, ano na lang para mailagay na yung sukat. At the same time, pwede makuha na rin yung full name ninyo, full name and family name for the certificate. Pakibigay sa akin right now.
Tito, Mark Vincent Castro.
Ano yan? Mark Vincent Castro, QSL?
Tito.
Okay, so Mark Vincent Castro. Okay, Tito Mark, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Charlie, is now loud and clear.
Shout out to nanonood.
Any more station for late check? 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the 71 stations who check in for tonight. But before we close the net, let me read first the entries on my log sheet. If in case I miss your station, kindly inform me as soon as I have finished reading the last station. Starting with for Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie, for Del 1 Echo Charlie Bravo, for Golf 1 Delta Queen Juliet, W6 Echo Uniform Golf Stroke 1, for India 1 Bravo India India. For Del 1 Bravo Juliet Romeo, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, for Del 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, for Del 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Mike Alpha Romeo, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, 4 Golf 1 Bravo Kilo Alpha, 4 Golf 1 November Tango Tango, DU1 Kilo India Yankee. 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo, 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf, 4 India 1 Papa Uniform Victor, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey. 4 Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Golf, 4 Golf 1 Tango Kilo Foxtrot, and 4 Hotel 1 X-Ray Charlie Mike. DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, DV3 Romeo Whiskey, DW1 Zulu Papa Lima, 4 Golf 1 Victor Lima Lima, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra. DU1 Sierra Hotel, DW1 Victor Whiskey Lima, 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango. 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo, DV1 Delta Lima X-Ray, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Yankee Papa, 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. 4 India 1, Bravo, Bravo, Zulu, 4 India 1, Tango, Lima, Oscar, 4 Echo 1, Radio Alpha, DU9, Mike, Echo, Romeo. Delta, Yankee 1, Alpha, Romeo, Delta, DW4, Bravo, Tango, Lima, 4 Golf 1, Queen, Alpha, Zulu. Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie, 4 Hotel 1, Whiskey, X-Ray, Papa, DB1, Oscar, Mike, Victor, 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima. 4 Golf 1, Charlie, November, Delta, Romeo, Oscar, Mike, 4 Golf 1, Charlie, Alpha, Zulu, DU1, Whiskey, India, Echo, DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet. 4 India 1, Mike, Victor, India, 4 Golf 1, Alpha, November, India, 4 Tel 1, Tango, Uniform, Alpha, 4 Golf 1, Tango, Kilo, Kilo. 4 Golf 1, Echo, November, Delta, 4 Golf 1, Lima, Alpha, Echo, DW1, Victor, Oscar, Zulu, 4 Hotel 1, Echo, Mike, Kilo, DW8, Charlie, Romeo, Foxtrot. DB1, Kilo, Whiskey, Mexico, DU1, India, Victor, Tango, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee, Tango, Yankee, 4 Hotel 1, Alpha, Kilo, Tango. 4 India 1, Alpha, Golf, Juliet, 4 Golf 1, Mike, Victor, Lima, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar, Zulu, Mike, 4 Golf 1, Lima, Delta, Kilo, and Delta Yankee 1, Mike, Victor, Charlie. Now, any more station for late check, 4 Golf 1, Papa, Uniform, Romeo, standing by.
Late check, 4 Golf 1, Alpha, Victor, India.
Okay, copy, late check, 4 Golf 1, Alpha, Victor, India, Tito Jun, ng Muntinlupa, from the group WAPI. Your station is now loud and clear. Any more, Tito Nelson?
Wala pa. Wala na dito at humabol lang yun. Nakita ko lang nag-plus sa akin eh.
Okay, with that, we would like to thank all the stations who support the Dex 1 PRS Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again for the next edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. The net is now closed, frequency 145.340 megahertz, now back to its normal operation. On behalf of Dex 1 PRS, this is 4 Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, together with 4 Tel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, Tito Nelson, managing the FB Live, saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lahat palagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.